For weeks, humanity held its breath. An ominous visitor from the depths of space, a massive asteroid known as YR4, was hurtling towards Earth. At first, its trajectory was uncertain. Scientists watched in growing alarm as the odds of a catastrophic impact climbed higher and higher. The world stood at the edge of potential disaster, wondering if this would be the event that changed history forever. But then, in a stunning twist, the universe decided to spare us, for now. This is the story of YR4, the asteroid that almost changed history. The story of YR4 begins in the farthest reaches of our solar system. A relic from the formation of planets over 4.5 billion years ago, this asteroid, like countless others, has spent eons drifting through the void. Most asteroids remain within the confines of the asteroid belt, located between Mars and Jupiter, a chaotic graveyard of cosmic debris left over from the birth of our solar system. But occasionally, one of these celestial wanderers is disturbed by gravitational forces, setting it on a new, unpredictable course. And sometimes that course brings it dangerously close to Earth. It was a quiet December night when astronomers first detected an unfamiliar speck of light moving through the sky. At first, YR4 seemed like just another near-Earth object, a small celestial body that would pass harmlessly by. But as scientists examined its trajectory, a troubling pattern emerged. YR4 wasn't just passing through, it was heading directly toward Earth. The more they analyzed, the more troubling the results became. The asteroid moved straight to the top of NASA's risk list, a designation reserved for only the most menacing objects in space. The initial numbers were terrifying. YR4 had a 1 in 32 chance of colliding with Earth. To put that into perspective, those odds were significantly higher than the probability of winning the lottery, being struck by lightning, or even surviving a plane crash. If those calculations were correct, humanity had just a few years before an impact that could rival the mightiest asteroid strikes in history. The internet exploded with speculation. Would this be the event that ended civilization as we know it? Would we be able to stop it? YR4 is an immense body of stone and metal, stretching nearly half a kilometer across. That's larger than some of the tallest skyscrapers on Earth, rivaling landmarks such as the Empire State Building. With an estimated mass of over 50 million metric tons, this asteroid would deliver an impact so devastating that it could reshape entire regions of the planet. The explosion would be equivalent to 8 billion kilograms of TNT, an energy release over 500 times greater than the nuclear bomb dropped on Hiroshima. The result? A crater more than 1.2 miles wide, capable of flattening cities, igniting massive fires and sending shockwaves rippling across continents. The skies would darken as debris was launched into the atmosphere, potentially altering global temperatures and triggering a mini ice age. But how do scientists calculate the trajectory of an asteroid? It's not as simple as drawing a straight line from one point to another. Space is a constantly shifting battlefield of gravitational forces, with the sun, moon, and planets exerting influence on every object within the solar system. When YR4 was first discovered, astronomers had only a fragment of its orbital data, making predictions highly uncertain. Each new observation refined the model, but for a while, the numbers kept pointing toward catastrophe. The asteroid's path seemed destined to intersect with Earth. And so, for weeks, the probability numbers fluctuated. At first, YR4's chances of impact grew larger, sending waves of fear across the scientific community and the public alike. NASA and other space agencies scrambled to reassess their calculations, running complex simulations day and night. The chilling uncertainty persisted. Would this be another Tunguska event, a Chelyabinsk meteor, or something far worse? To assess the risk of asteroid impacts, scientists used the Torino Impact Scale, created by Planetary scientist Richard Binzel. The scale ranges from 0 to 10, with 0 indicating no risk and 10 signaling a world-ending catastrophe. For a while, YR4 lingered in the alarming territory of uncertainty, raising questions about humanity's ability to prevent such an event. And then, in a stunning reversal, the odds flipped. From a 1 in 32 chance, YR4's probability of impact plummeted to just 1 in 26,000. The asteroid that once threatened our planet was now expected to pass at a comfortable distance of 167,000 miles, far beyond the moon's orbit. The relief was palpable. NASA officially declared YR4 a level 0 threat. In other words, we were safe. Scientists across the globe let out a collective sigh of relief. The world had dodged yet another cosmic bullet. But YR4 isn't gone forever. It will return in 2028, passing just 5 million miles away. And then again, in December 2032, the approach that had once caused such alarm. As we move deeper into the future, new calculations and observations will determine whether its path remains clear or if it becomes a threat once again. The universe is an unpredictable place, and what seems safe today may not be tomorrow. For now, we can breathe easy. But YR4 serves as a powerful reminder. The cosmos is vast and full of dangers. At any moment, another asteroid, still undiscovered, could be heading our way. The question isn't if, but when. Will we be ready when the next threat emerges? One thing is certain. This is a game of cosmic roulette, and the universe never stops spinning the wheel.